Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Try to Learn. In this video, you will learn about different types of nouns along with their definitions, use and examples. Before discussing the lesson types of nouns, let us first understand what is a noun or what is called a noun. A noun is a word that names something such as a person, place, thing or idea. In a sentence, nouns can play the role of subject, direct object, indirect object, subject complement, object complement, appositive or modifier. Coming to types of noun, there are 9 types of nouns in English. First one is common nouns. Common nouns are those which are not specific. Use. They are used to describe a general category or class of people, places or things. For example, for people or person, nouns are like teacher, doctor, etc. For place, it is like school, city, etc. For things, it is like book, car, etc. The second type of noun is proper noun. Proper nouns are specific names of people, places, or things and always start with a capital letter. Use. They are used to specify an unique entity, distinguishing it from others in its category. For example, for person, we write Albert Einstein, Queen Elizabeth, like proper person names. For place, we like proper place names like Paris, Shimla, etc. For thing, we like proper thing or specific thing like Eiffel Tower, Kohinoor, etc. The third type of noun in our list is abstract nouns. Abstract nouns refer to intangible concepts, ideas, qualities, or states that cannot be perceived by the five senses. Use. It is used to describe emotions, qualities, or concepts that exist in thought but are not physical objects. For example, emotions like love and anger, qualities like honesty and bravery, states like freedom, happiness, etc. Next type of noun is concrete nouns. Concrete nouns are tangible objects or entities that can be perceived by the senses, like seen, touched, heard, smelled, or tasted. Use. It is used to name physical objects and entities. For example, objects like chair, apple, etc. Animals like dog, elephant, etc. People like child, artist, etc. The next type of noun in our list is collective nouns. Collective nouns refer to a group of individuals, animals, or things considered as a single unit. Use. It is used to describe a collection or group as a whole. For example, people like team or jury. In animals, to describe a group of animals, we use words like flock and herd. To describe group of objects, we use words like bunch or fleet, etc. Next type of noun in our list is countable nouns. Countable nouns are nouns that can be counted as individual items. They have both singular and plural forms. Use. They are used when referring to things that can be counted either as one or more. Examples for singular: apple, car, etc. If we convert it into plural form, we will write apples, cars, etc. Next is uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns refer to substances, concepts, or masses that cannot be counted. They usually do not have a plural form. Use: they are used for items or concepts that are considered as wholes and not in individual units. For example, substances like water, sand, concepts like information, music, etc. Masses like furniture, luggage, etc. The next type of noun in our list is compound nouns. Compound nouns are made up of two or more that function as a single noun. They can be written as one word, hyphenated, or as separate words. Use: they are used to describe a single entity made up of multiple components. For example, examples of one word: toothpaste, bedroom, etc. Example of hyphenated words like mother-in-law, well-being, etc. And separate words like post office, high school, etc. The last and the ninth type of noun is possessive nouns. Possessive nouns show ownership or possession and typically end with an apostrophe followed by an S. Or just an apostrophe for plural nouns. Use: they are used to indicate that something belongs to someone or something. For example, first, let's discuss the singular words like John's book, cat's toy, etc. Plural form words like teacher's lounge, dog's park, etc.